Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily factory reset a laptop with Windows 11. So first, what you guys want to do is open the Windows tab and go to Settings. Now here in Settings, go straight to System and scroll down until you see Recovery. Now here, click it, go to Reset this PC and click Reset PC. And now what you guys want to do, after you clicked it, wait a bit and then select Remove Everything so you can perform a factory reset. Now, after that, what you guys want to do is get a local reinstall so you do not have to wait for a new Windows to install. Now after you do that, check if the current settings are remove apps and files, do not clean the drive, and reinstall Windows from this device. After you do that, click Next and wait for your laptop to factory reset. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.